Welcome to ByteCrypto Academy. Want to earn from crypto without learning charts, indicators, or technical analysis? With BingX, you can automatically copy top-performing traders and get the same results they do. It's beginner-friendly, fast to set up, and requires no trading experience. Let me show you exactly how it works. BingX is a global crypto exchange trusted by over 20 million users, and it's built with beginners in mind. What sets it apart? You can automatically copy professional traders with zero slippage, meaning your trades are executed at the exact same price as theirs. No hidden losses. The platform offers comprehensive trader statistics, so you can easily compare win rates, profit history, risk level, and strategy before choosing who to follow. With low fees, beginner-friendly tools, and a seamless copy trading experience, BingX makes it simple to start earning, even if you're new to crypto. And if you sign up using the link in the description, you'll unlock over $6,000 in welcome bonuses. Plus, during our limited time event from June 13 to 23, you can also claim a special $170 copy trading gift pack. It's the perfect time to start, safer, smarter, and fully beginner-friendly. Getting started is super simple. Click the link in the description or pinned comment, enter your email or phone number, set a password, and your account is ready in seconds. To unlock full features like copy trading and bonuses, you'll need to complete identity verification. Just upload a photo of your ID and a quick selfie. It usually takes only a few minutes to get approved. After that, go to the Deposit tab to add funds. You can deposit crypto or use third-party payment options like bank cards or mobile money, depending on your country. Once your balance is in, you're ready to start copying top traders immediately. And don't forget, your copy trading voucher and other bonuses will be visible in the Reward Center after signing up. Once you're signed in, tap the Copy Trading section. Here you'll see a list of top-performing traders with detailed stats. Win rate, total profit, risk level, P&L ratio, number of followers, trading strategy. Pick a trader you like, hit copy, set your investment amount, and that's it. Your account will automatically mirror their trades, with zero slippage, so your entries match theirs perfectly. You can copy multiple traders to diversify or stick to just one. It's flexible and fully under your control. Your dashboard lets you track open positions, profits, and performance in real time. You can stop copying anytime, adjust amounts, or switch to another trader. It's designed for beginners who want to earn while they learn, without the pressure of managing trades manually. BingX makes crypto trading accessible and low risk for anyone starting out. With powerful features like zero slippage, detailed trader stats, a bonus loss subsidy voucher, and fast, easy setup, it's one of the best places to begin your crypto journey. Sign up now using the link below. Get up to $6,000 in bonuses and $170 copy trading event gift pack. And start copying real traders today. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe to ByteCrypto Academy for more easy crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Master crypto, one byte at a time.